Okay guys, we're in rural Alaska, Tenakee Springs. Despite everyone thinks about everything about our country and all that, I'm going to show you how people get water to drink in rural Alaska. And yes, this is how we get our drinking water in Tenakee. Bucket and a pot. See? It's one of the reasons why I moved to Juneau. I'm going to toss this up to you. Okay, I'm going to set this here. Make sure it's closed. Okay. 5-gallon bucket, by the way. My mom is 70 years old and my dad is 60. And this is still how they're getting their water. Oh. Okay, we're off to the house.